was honestly one of the sickest days of my life, guys. Like, that was incredible, crazy. Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome to this episode of the Polaris Adventure. Just a quick one for you guys. This episode is about the PWC that I did out in Langebaan, the jet ski course. It was a really cool course, and guys, I just wanted to let you know that it was really difficult to film everything, like, because there were drills and stuff that we had to do, but I couldn't actually film those parts. So we did a lot of collision regulations where Mike would come at us with the powerboat, and he would approach our port or starboard side, and we would see, would basically just have to do our collision regulation so that he could see if we would bear away and stay clear of him or stay on, and that we knew our collision regulations. And we did a lot of approaching and basically docking alongside the boat. It was quite a choppy day, so that was quite tricky, and the parts that I did film was mainly where we were cruising around having some fun on the jet skis. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. And jet ski was a really fun course, and yeah, basically that's it. But I just want to let you guys know that it's not just the fun and cruising around like you see in the video. That's mainly just for your entertainment, watching us send it around a bit on the jet skis. Really fun course, and yeah, looking forward to the next episodes. After this is powerboat level 2, so we'll see you there. Our jet ski course now, and yeah, just busy loading up the skis. People should be working and then just people kite surfing, hey? They got their priorities right. Yeah, they definitely got their priorities right. Just kite surfers everywhere. It's bloody, what's the time? It's like 5:03. It's 5:03 and there's just like kites everywhere. Madness. Madness. Boys are on the jet skis behind us. Yo. Ryan on the jet ski right here. Who's gonna go away? He's gonna come past me now. There he goes. Brian, you're good.
I was just saying, dude, that was amazing.
You know the Afrikaans, and you come out of something like that and they're like, woo, I'm alive.
Right now, guys, but this is honestly one of the best days of my life I've ever had. Like, I'm on a jet ski right now in Langebaan. I just had, oh dude, I can't explain, like, I was too sick. Like, I'm getting a jet ski one day, like, 100%. That was crazy. Brian had a mad fail. Like, I think I got it on camera 100%. Got a bit choppy at the end, but I mean, like, choppy doesn't mean I'm definitely, like, I was hitting some little chop and like we were jumping. It was so, no, I'm 100% getting a jet ski one day. Like, that was way too fun. Holy shit. I was honestly one of the sickest days I've ever had.
You got it on video?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Liam, what was your favorite part of today, dude?
Just, how was it? The course was so fun. There were those sharp turns right over radio. And
that was super cool.
And then you get blind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dylan, what was your favorite part of today, dude? What was your favorite? Like out of everything, what was your favorite? If you had to pick one.
That race. No, not the race. Sorry. We just had to go.
You look like you were loving jumping. Every time I look at you, you like jumping.
I love jumping. I motorbike. Of course, I love jumping.
No, that was too sick. Brian fell. Where's Brian? Is Brian alive? Hey?
I don't know, bro.
Dylan, is Brian alive, bro?
We lost Brian.
Yeah. What today, bro?
Falling off.
was that your favorite part?
Oh, 100%, dude. 100%.
I look at you off. I just see Dylan. He's like, what happened, bro? Like, how? Like you skipped into the corner, bro.
Yeah, I tried to take a tight turn and I think I lost or didn't like have my balance properly, and then next moment I knew, I just like saw my legs and arms in front of me and my back just hit the water flying.
Yeah.
You got stuck in the water. You turned and
Yeah, I just threw me,
No, but you
man.
took it like a champ, bro. You ate that wave and you got right back
It
up.
was amazing.
Because I looked down like, where's Brian?
Yeah. Gotta say, the funnest part is cleaning the toys afterwards. Hey, Brian.
Yeah.
Show them your nice
cloth.
cloth. Show them how nice your cloth is. Look at that. Have you guys ever seen such a nice cloth before?
I don't think you have.
it's
Yeah,
fine,
look at
bro.
that.
It's fine.
That's nice, bro.
Yo, it's like a shower, man.
That's
Warm
nice,
shower.
dude.
That's a nice warm shower. That's cool. Honestly, one of the sickest days of my life, guys. Like, that was incredible. Crazy. Hey, what to show you?